Hi everybody, it's Michelle live from the She Shed, and I am unboxing the Hello Fall Crafter's Companion box. 530 pieces made by Crafter's Companion. I bought it on QVC, no, HSN. Hello, HSN. It was $69.99. The price has gone back up to $99.99, but I'm going to tell you, we're going to unbox this thing and see what kind of goodies we got in here. I'm doing it one-handed so I can hang on to the camera. Okay. As usual, it's wrapped up in this nice tissue paper, nice and protected. And thank you, United States Postal Service. You did a wonderful job. There's your Crafter's Companion. Hello Fall. And that's exciting. So let's open all this up and see what we got in this box. Oh my goodness. First of all, we've got some enamel dots. Followed by cling stamps. Happy Thanksgiving, so very thankful, looking beautiful, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, happy Halloween, all those kind of great things. Here we've got some die cuts. Yay. These are some more embossed papers, pumpkins and leaves. I don't know if you can see it pretty good. I think you can see it pretty good in there. There you go. Black and cream colored cards and envelopes. White and cream colored, right, and envelopes. And then here's some more paper with pads. Okay, oh my goodness, this is just full of stuff. Oh, that's exciting. These are crystals in black for Halloween. This is liquid glue and a luxury gilding flakes. So there's some gold gilding flakes and a brush tool in here. Look at that, how pretty is that? Okay. Glitter paste in my favorite Halloween colors. 3 stamp pads. I don't even remember seeing those on TV, but yay. For stamping. Ribbon. Black glitter. Pumpkin charms. Tags. Yay. Rope or twine. Little tiny wood die cutouts, leaves and pumpkins. So I can paint those or marker them. And then here are some sentiments. Hello pumpkin, happy Halloween, trick or treat, all those kind of things. Some more die cuts. Another stamp. The boxes to make the cute triangle. A Halloween stencil. Some cutouts or die cuts in black and cream. These are leaves cut out. These are some trees and bats cut out. The gift boxes. Oh, wow. Shiny paper. Look at that. Pumpkins. Yay. And finally, wow, Halloween paper and harvest paper. So this is the Hello Fall kit. You just watched me unbox it. Took almost 5 minutes to unbox it, for Pete's sake. Wow, what a great bargain. Thank you, Crafter's Companion, and I hope you'll get you a kit as well. Have a great day. Bye.